This how to 1 minute will show you how to enable custom robots.txt in Blogger. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, log into your Blogger dashboard and click on Settings. Once you are here, scroll down and search for Crawlers and Indexing section. Once you are here you will get the Enable Custom Robots.txt option. So enable, all you have to need just toggle this option. And to add custom robots.txt, click on this option. And here enter your custom robots.txt files or code. Then click on Save. You can also enable custom robots header tags from here. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.